Hello everyone, this is Marian and today's video is about how to manage your Brosix chat rooms. Chat rooms are a simple and efficient way to increase your team's collaboration. Your team can use the chat rooms as a dedicated place to discuss specific topics, gather a team, and much more. Brosix chat room controls puts all of the chat room management functions in one convenient place in order to help you and your team get the most out of your chat rooms. The chat room controls grant you several ways in which to customize and manage your team's group chats. To access the control options, you need to log into the control panel via our official website. Once there, click on Users, then Chat Rooms. When you click on a room, you can see you are able to rename the room and set a picture. You can also set a security level, activate or close a chat room, set the chat room type to open room, when users can add and remove themselves, and lock room, when users cannot leave the room or add others. You're also able to add and remove users and view the chat history. It is important to mention that there are several differences between the regular chat rooms and the ones that are dedicated to an already existing group. For both types, you are able to set a security level access and view the chat history, where security level means you can choose whether to have a chat room that all of your administrators can access and read its chat history, or one that only a limited number of administrators can access. The chat history option is a feature that allows you to read and search for all the messages in the particular chat room. What's different is that you cannot lock or open a chat room that's dedicated to a group in your network or change its members. The only way to make such a change is to remove or add people from the group that the chat room is connected to. The only way to activate or close a chat room dedicated to a group is to go to the control panel, click on Users, then Groups, choose the group that you'd like to deactivate the chat room of, and disable the chat room option. You can also check out our How to Create a Chat Room video available in our profile. Thank you for your time.